here in the ocean. We just left Catalina and we're headed back to the mainland. And if you can see behind me all the birds and dolphins, did you just see that? It's incredible out here today.
And there's one whale.
Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing great. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
So this is Cooper. Hi, Cooper. So, he is a dog. He's a lab. So cute. So I have, 2 other dogs, but they aren't here right now. And yeah, he doesn't know any tricks. It's just no huh.
Hi everyone, this is me and my dog Kipper. He is a Jack Russell Chihuahua mix. He loves to play and he's super energetic. That's it for now. Bye everyone.
Hi everyone, this is my cat Tiki. Say hi. He knows the future. Sit. Spin. Good boy. And he can kind of beg, but he's not too good at it. Ready, we're gonna try this. No hands, no hands. Good boy. Enjoy.
Some of the things I've been doing over spring break is we've been renovating our barbecue island, gardening, making new gardens, making an herb garden, that's all for now.
So over my quarantine, I made a tent out of sticks and logs. I even made myself a little chair in there. So yeah, that's what I've been doing.